my friend. Welcome to my life. My name is Diego Sisa. I'm from Ecuador. I live in Quito. I'm 21 years old. These are activities in my life. For example, my favorite food is the seafood, in special the fish. I love the fish because it's very delicious. I practice different sports. I play the soccer, basketball, and volleyball too. But my favorite sport is the gym. I practice every day. I don't like the social events because I prefer to stay in my home. I realize other different activities. I don't like the books, but I reading the interdiscipline. I like watch the movies. And my favorite movie is The Underground. I study English because it's a requirement for my career. I stay in the School Polytechnic Army. And because also learn is important. I consider study English is important because I can get a better job. English is a beautiful language. I invite all the people to study English and practice every day. This is my life. Bye.